How to fix Need for Speed Most Wanted black screen, crashes and save errors problems on AMD GPUs, and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to this download file and download it. Link would be in description, and then extract it right here. Open the folder and then just copy these 4 files and paste it in the installation directory of your game. After pasting it, click on replace the file in the destination, and then what you need to do is restart your PC and then run street.exe. Then you can check if your problem has solved. Hopefully your problem solves. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.